It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to be here today on the Malaysia National Day celebration. I bring with me the warmest greetings and heartfelt congratulations from the people and the government of Pakistan to the people and government of Malaysia. This day not only just is a celebration of independence, but also a reflection of the resilience, unity, and prosperity that Malaysia has demonstrated over the decades. Malaysia's journey since independence has been nothing short of an extraordinary. It has become a beacon of economic success, cultural harmony, and international diplomacy in Southeast Asia. The Malaysian people have always shown the world how diversity, when embraced, can become a powerful force for the national development. Your progress in education, technology, and infrastructure, coupled with your commitment to environmental sustainability and social justice, are tremendous to the forward-thinking vision you have. Today, as we gather here, we also celebrate the bond of friendship in between Pakistan and Malaysia. Our nations share a rich history of cooperation, mutual respect, and trust. We have stood together on international platforms, working for common goals like peace, sustainable development, and regional stability. Our friendship is built on shared values, faith, fraternity, and the desire for the well-being of our people. This relationship, however, is not confined to diplomacy alone. It extends into trade, commerce, and investment, areas that have tremendous potential for growth. Pakistan and Malaysia are both blessed with abundant resources, strategic geographical location, and vibrant youthful populations. We must leverage these strengths for mutual benefit.
You really honored Malaysian. His Excellency Adajan Moflamov, Dean of Diplomatic Corps, His Excellency Pengiran Haji Kamal Bashar bin Pengiran Haji Ahmad, Chair of ASEAN Committee in Islamabad, His Excellency Imran Ahmad Siddiqui, Additional Secretary, Asia Pacific Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Pakistan. All ASEAN heads of missions, colleagues from the Diplomatic Corps, Excellencies, members of the media, friends of Malaysia, and Malaysians in Pakistan. Welcome to the 67th anniversary of Malaysia's Independence Day, or what we call National Day celebration for Malaysia. Really, Malaysia has come a long way, having been independent for the last 67 years. We were honored by the reception by the Pakistani government. At that time, Pakistan was one of the earliest countries who opened your embassy in Malaysia in 1957. So, thank you, Pakistan.